Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Chrysler Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with the Towing Prep Package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, keyless start, hard disk drive media storage, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, power windows, fog lights, heated front seats, rear window defroster, compass, security alarm, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, CD player, trip computer, overhead console. Come take a test drive today.